Hey, what's up, everybody? This is James, and this is another midnight drunken, well, actually 4 a.m. drunken video on Python and the packages that we can install utilizing Python. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about TA-Lib. TA-Lib. Now, I should make this bigger. The reason why I'm typing this up on Microsoft Word is because I already have TA-Lib installed on my computer, but I'm going to assume that you have already downloaded 3.9.1 or the current version of Python on your Mac. Now, as we talked before in the previous video, if I just type in Python -- version, you're going to see, oh, I messed that up. Python -- version. So you can see you have some version of Python, usually 2 point something, installed in your computer already. Now I've got, as you saw from the previous video, I've got Python 3.7 -- version. I've got a Python 3.8 -- version. And I've got a Python 3.9 -- version installed directly on my Mac. This is without utilizing a virtual environment, which I like to install them directly on my computer first. Then I go to virtual environments, but it comes down to your personal preference. Anyway, so if we add a second screen here and let's do TA-Lib. If we come down, scroll down a little bit, here's your guy right here, your pypi.org, and here's your pip install for TA-Lib. Well, there's a problem you might run across with, well, it can happen on Windows and it can happen on Mac, but we're discussing Mac right now. You might get a really big red error saying cannot be installed. And what people don't realize, you got to take 3 steps to install TA-Lib. So the first one is you do your brew. Now, so the brew is supposed to be lowercase. Brew install. Then with the brew install, you're going to do TA lowercase -lib, which I'm going to type over here, which it's not going to work because I already have it installed. So TA-lib. Once you run that, now as you can see, I've already got TA-Lib installed on my system and it's up to date. So it didn't do anything for me, but for you, it should run the script. The second thing you're gonna do, which is not easy to find, because everywhere you look on the internet, nobody's showing how to do the second portion. So the next part is you gotta do xcode -select, one word. Okay, so xcode -select all together. Then from there you do -- install. So I'm gonna do it over here. Xcode -select -- install. Now, like I said before, the reason why I'm typing over here in Word is because you're gonna see that I already have it installed. Command there, tools already installed. Okay, now if I want to update it, I can update it, but I have it always up to date. Now, your third section will be, so number 3 is going to be pip. Now, from here, you decide how you're going to install it. So, if you're trying to install it on your Python 2 up here, you're going to have to type in, because pip is not going to work directly because you've already installed Python 3. So you could do pip 3 install TA-lib. Now, if you notice, when you do pip 3 install TA-lib, now something I haven't tried yet because I have multiple versions of Python and have not tried on anything other than 3.9. So I'm going to run this. You're going to see that nothing's going to happen. Pip 3 install TA-Lib. The reason why I know this is going to happen is because I've already got installed on. Oh, actually, it is. Huh. Probably because I just downloaded the 3.8 on the previous video. So I was downloading everything for TA-Lib. Yeah, I guess it's because I already had it installed on Python 3.7, Python 3.9. But yeah, I forgot that I had utilized Python 3.8 for my previous video. So it's running the install package right now for TA-Lib. Now, TA-Lib is a great package for financial instruments, especially stock markets, or if you want to do some form of visual recognition type of machine learning. So there we go. And then you get this warning, the pip version is out of date. So we could do, now as it tells you exactly what to do. My Python 3.8 version is out of date, so I can do Python 3.8 minus M pip install. Oh, I messed that up. Install dash upgrade, which that is all right here. If I typed everything up correctly, I'm a little drunk right now, so let me double check everything and let me go ahead and hit enter. No such options as minus M, so let's go Python 3.8 minus M pip install upgrade. Maybe I mistyped it. Could not find the version satisfies requirement. Okay, well, that's fine. I'm not going to worry about it because I don't use Python 3.8, so I'm not really worried about it. Anyway, so, or I could just actually just copy this entire thing right here too. Oop. Just copy right here, see what happens, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then there you go. Okay, I was missing the pip at the end. But anyways, so yeah, that is how you install TA-Lib on your Mac, especially when you're getting a really big error. Usually the error is about 30 or 40 lines, and it'll be all red, blasting in your face. This is a simple way of doing it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one, which includes virtual environments.